I like that reaction on Spy. Ooh, I think it's kind of late. I'm gonna go short with Spy with ES. Let's see. I like how Apple is making lower lows. Nvidia is having a lot of trouble with Friday high. The Q is looking weak. Spy too. I want to see a Spy under the VWAP. The problem is I don't like the flavor on any organic protein shake. It tastes so weird. Super, I don't like it. Just like vegan meat. I've tried that what's the brand of that vegan meat? The one that the stock you like the stock used to be like $200 or something like that, and I was like 20. Um, well, I tried their meat and it's so bad. So bad. Yeah, that one. Beyond Meat, that one. It's so bad. Ugh. It's so bad. I don't know how they even like I don't know how they even like every time the brand makes a new product, they have people that tried it before studying like packaging, the marketing, selling. I don't know how you will eat that and you will say, "Yeah, this you can sell this." Because it was so bad, like horrible. Okay, I'm gonna sell one here. Oh, that's true. Like, why, if you're a real vegetarian, why you wanna try those things? And not only you wanna eat something like taste like meat, if you really read what's on that meat, it's a bunch of like BS. Like, it's really bad. And those meats are very high in fat, like extremely high. I want to see a SPY breaking this pre-market low here. It's around 509.50. Apple is really fighting 174. I'm getting out. I don't like how Apple is looking bullish.